My name is Chuck McCullough, and I work at Kwik Kopy Printing, Mission Viejo. We are a small business that operates with a large network, so we have a large client base, and we're considered a quick printer. So what we specialize ourselves in is turning things around very fast. The number one thing that differentiates us from our competition is our speed, the speed in which we do things. The single most important reason for us in having this piece of machinery in our office was control. We wanted to be able to change the color if we needed to change the color. We didn't want to have to wait a week to realize the color was incorrect and we already put money into it. Then you have to go through the whole runaround on trying to get that order redone. Being able to do 4-color envelopes, whatever size the envelope is, at the snap of your fingers is really, really awesome to have. We attempted very unsuccessfully to go ahead and put the number 10 envelopes on our digital copy machines. However, that would wrinkle the envelopes. It just wasn't efficient. One thing in particular that I found that was very special was the ability to do variable data on the machine. Another thing that we love about the machine is the color match software. Whatever it is, you have full control over changing the color, manipulating the color however you need to be based upon the sample of what you're trying to match. So the color matching is a huge, huge benefit to have because it allows us to go ahead and do things on these machines where we traditionally had to go onto a press. There were other costs involved, plates, things of that nature. We no longer deal with that. As long as we can create a PDF, we can get the job done today with this machine. Because it's so much easier to use, you can pretty much train any employee that you have in your office on this particular unit. If you can hit file and print, you can use this machine. The customers don't really see a difference between what they used to get and what they get now, meaning that the quality is exactly the same. When we ran our first couple envelopes through, we were kind of blown away with the quality of it. And what it allowed us to do is the speed was the number one thing we were thinking about. I would recommend this technology to mail houses, to other quick printers, people that do a lot of volume printing for marketing, anybody that's mailing on a regular basis that has a client list that they have to give certain updates for, that might be a great use for them. I also think of universities. Universities are also a great place that would benefit from this machine. Productivity has definitely been increased with this machine in our office. The main thing is simply that we can have anybody run this machine and still output a quality product for our customers. We used to have to pay an expert to sit by their press to make sure that quality was consistent throughout the job. You don't have to mix ink or anything like that. You simply just create the PDF, load it onto the machine, and the machine will ultimately output whatever item it is that you have. You have almost no expenses with the iJet machine in comparison to a traditional offset press because you don't have all of the extras that go along with getting offset printing done. As far as the machine's concerned, we're completely confident that it's going to be able to handle anything that we throw at it. It's just a matter of getting the traffic into these doors and getting people wanting us to use this machine for their order. And that's all on us. That has nothing to do with the machine.